This is just a quick little video to give you guys a heads up to let you know that my FPS template plugin is now on sale for 50% off for the October sale event. Now the sale starts today, the 19th, and it will end on October 24th. Now this is going to be the cheapest time to get this plugin because shortly after this sale is over, I am going to be bumping up the price a little bit to better reflect the content and the work that has been done since its initial release. So if you have any questions or anything like that, I highly suggest that you go to my Discord that is linked down in the description below. You can ask me any questions you have regarding it to better figure out if this is a plugin that is for you. Because like I've stated in numerous videos before, if you have not seen any of them, this is more of a framework for you to build upon rather than the typical first-person shooter kit that you would find normally just on other kits on the marketplace. So if you have any, like I said, if you have any questions or anything like that, join the Discord down below and I'll be happy to answer them. So I hope you enjoy it.